Welcome back to the channel. The 2026 electric tricycle camper is redefining what compact travel freedom looks like. And today, I'm taking you through a full hands-on review. If you've ever dreamed of owning a micro RV that's affordable, energy efficient, and easy to take anywhere, this new model might be exactly what you've been waiting for. Let's explore what makes it stand out and whether it's worth your money. The first thing you notice is the futuristic design. The aerodynamic front end, the bold LED lighting, and the sleek body lines make it look more like a modern electric vehicle than a traditional camper. It's lightweight, but feels solid, giving you confidence even before you start riding. The frame has been reinforced compared to previous versions, and you can feel the improved stability the moment you take off. Powered by a high-capacity electric motor, the 2026 Tricycle camper delivers smooth acceleration and surprisingly strong torque, even on inclined roads. Riding it feels effortless. The upgraded battery pack offers impressive range, allowing long rides between charges. And the fast charging support means you can power up quickly during travel breaks. Comfort is another highlight. The seating position is relaxed, the handlebar layout is ergonomic, and the suspension system absorbs bumps better than many full-size scooters. For a compact electric trike, it offers a balanced and enjoyable ride, even on rougher paths. Now, let's talk about what truly makes this model special: the camper module. As soon as you open it, you'll see clever use of space. There's a cozy sleeping area, storage compartments for travel essentials, and enough interior height and width to rest comfortably, even on long journeys. The built-in ventilation system keeps the cabin airy, and the LED interior lighting creates a warm, nighttime atmosphere. Some variants also include optional solar charging panels, giving you extended off-grid capability. Technology integration is stronger than ever. The digital dashboard displays speed, range, battery health, and navigation. USB ports and power outlets let you charge your devices on the go. Safety features like rear-view cameras, bright indicators, and improved braking give you confidence on busy roads and at night. Who is this camper right for? It's perfect for solo travelers, weekend adventurers, content creators, and anyone who wants the freedom of an RV without the high costs. It's budget-friendly, easy to park, extremely low maintenance, and requires no fuel at all. Whether you're camping, exploring remote areas, or simply escaping city life for a day, this tricycle